So once the bolts of the tension bolts of the motor, take the belts of the driving pulley and driven pulley, and we get the motor out of here. So what we got here is now driven pulley, drag, and casing. So once you move this driven pulley, the bearing inside pushes the drag out from this side where the adjuster is, and then you feed more grease to the rings inside it, and then you start putting the rack back on once you check the inspection on that, saying if there's no marks or damage or anything happening to the rack on this side where the adjuster sits. Any damage to the teeth or the helical part of the rack, which seems fine on this rack. I'll start putting it back on, same way we took it out.